Yeah, the GT, you'll see them, there's a lot more of them on the road than the Cadet. If you go to a car show, especially a foreign car show, you'll see a few of them there, like the one that's in Carlisle. You may see 10 or 12 GTs there, but you know, almost all the times I've seen the pictures of Carlisle for the last few years, nobody's had a Cadet Rallye there, not one. And I'll turn the light on here, you can get better light. I think the way this car is trimmed out, it looks so nice. The Germans did a really nice job on the trim package. This one hasn't been out for a while, so it may take me a little longer to get started.